Hello, this is the short video of the Hama mini tripod I bought. I wanted to do some filming on a tabletop with my camera and keep things steady, so I bought this. Build quality is good, it's nice and compact, has flexible legs, bend anywhere you like, so you can get positioning on uneven ground, which is good, and on uneven surfaces. Build quality is good, as I said. It has a standard 1/4 inch connector socket for your camera. Mine's a compact camera. It's cheap, $4.99, free delivery, weighing in at 58 grams. So if you try and stand it up here, or if I turn it around a bit, you can see how it is. You can bend it in. Also has a little clip and attachment on here, as you can see, so you can clip it to wherever you want on your belt, or it's just very portable and sturdy. If you spread the legs out and press it right down, it's quite a wide base, so it's not going to fall over for you. The size of it is small as I expected, but just so you get a good idea of what is the actual size. It's the size of a credit card, and that's the ruler. So obviously you can work out how big it actually is if you compare it to the size on these items. So it is very, very small, so it's just very portable. You can move things around easily enough. Okay, I'll now go over the pros and cons. It has a 1/4 inch universal screw. It has flexible legs for uneven surfaces. It is small and compact for travel. It's cheap at $4.99 on Amazon and is delivered quickly. The cons: it is very small in size. It will be much better with bigger legs for more stability. I would like an adapter or a mount of some sort for fixing a tablet or smartphone too. The rubber feet do grip, but are not great and could be better. So overall, I'll give this product 4 out of 5 stars.